This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 322M is a Class C RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 5 inches in length and features a Catalina interior, sleeps 5, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, water heater, slide-out, spare tire kit, air conditioning, smoke detector, TV antenna, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 322M is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.